uh, for the fourth time in this place, on this place. Umalis na sila guys. Sayang hindi ko nakunan yung sa taas. Mas maganda dun ang landscape at saka yung rock formations, maganda dun sa taas. So we've been here for 4 times already. It's my 4 times here. 4 times or 5th times, parang ganun. Kasi this is my 8 times in Ratchaburi, Swanpung. Okay, daming tao guys kasi holiday. So ganito ang scenery dito. May mga nagpipiknik. Tingnan nyo sa taas. Yan. Maganda. Sayang hindi ko nakunan nyo sa taas. Sa taas maganda ang rock formation at saka yung water formation. Maganda sa taas. So iniwan natin yung ibang mga kasamahan natin. Kunan muna natin dito. Dito muna tayo. So guys, ito na yung sistema dito. Yan, daming nagpiknik. Daming nagpipiknik. Itong place na to is, sa Thai is Nam Khao Chan, Swanpung. Nam Khao Chan. Family outing, picnic. Yes, so tingnan mo yung bata naglalaro ng tubig. Yan, nagsislide. Galing, di ba? Daming tao ngayon. Ito, nagpipiknik. Parang family outing. Maganda. So, it's my special day and people are celebrating. Hindi nila alam na nag-celebrate sila para sa akin. Kasi wala akong pang-celebrate. Ito lang yung celebration ko. Enjoying the nature. And manifesting the love of God na pinakita niya sa akin. Enjoying the beauty of nature with gratefulness. Thank you, Lord. You've been so good to me for 50 years now. I'm proud to say. And doon na sila Naomi, Josie, and Jennifer. At saka si Eileen doon nagbantay ni Yushi and Yuri. Dito pwede doon. Yan. Anda. Pwede naman dun. Mas easier ang way dun. Kaya lang mas ito yung falls. Yan. Hapon natin guys. Dito tayo sa kukuha sa gitna. Sa gitna tayo kukuha. At first time kong nag-vlog dito, nang kinunan ko talaga yung falls. This is it. This is the way. Yan. Okay. Yan ang falls. Ayan ang falls. At yun ang baka maano yung camera natin. May nag-splashing sila kasi yung camera natin mas splash din. Kaya iwas-iwas tayo. Kuha na tayo ng pang rails guys. So exit na tayo guys. This way is going to the exit. Ito yung entrance. Diyan ka dadaan. Super daming tao ngayon. They are still coming. There are beautiful people. Exit. Ito ang maganda nating asawa. Ito. This is the hot spring here in Ratchaburi, Swanpung. Hot spring. We've been here for 4 times already. And with us right now is Josie, Naomi, Jennifer, and Eileen. So this is the place. This is the outlet of the hot spring and the fish pond over there. This is the campsite. You can put up tents here, 250 per head. Pero I cannot recommend, that's too expensive for an overnight stay. Marami pang campsite na maganda. Tapos 150 per head lang. And just 20 minutes away from here. Okay. Again, this is in Ratchaburi, Swanpung hot spring. Natural hot spring talaga to guys. Natural hot spring.